Welcome to funwithprogramming.com. In this website, you can learn programming, web development, software development with fun. Most of the time, we will provide video tutorial in Bangla and English. My name is Saurav Sarkar and I am a self-taught computer programmer. I am also 16 years old teenage. This website is especially for kids or absolutely beginners. Here you can learn about computer programming and freelancing guidelines, um, and also funny articles about programming in Bangla and English. So don't waste your time. To get a start programming, you can join with my YouTube channel, whose name is Fun with Programming. This one is my YouTube channel. You can subscribe and join with me. And also you can follow on my Facebook account. This one is my Facebook account. You may follow and